gas versus electric vehicles. Welcome to our deep dive into gas versus electric vehicles. On this page, we're going to break down exactly how much money you can really save by switching to an EV. Our goal is to make it super easy to understand, just like all the other guides on our site. We'll explore the real costs, the hidden savings, and why an electric future is not just green, but also great for your wallet. As you can see right away, we're talking potentially thousands in annual savings on fuel and maintenance, and a significant drop in overall operating costs. The biggest savings, fuel. Let's start with the most obvious saving, fuel. Electricity is significantly cheaper than gasoline, even with fluctuating energy prices. Here, you'll find an interactive calculator where you can adjust the miles driven per year. Watch how the annual savings and 5-year savings change in real time. We've set some typical default values for gas price, electricity rate, and vehicle efficiencies, but the key takeaway is clear. Filling up with electrons costs far less than filling up with liquid fuel. This section visually compares the annual fuel cost for a gas car versus an EV, highlighting the substantial difference. Next up, maintenance. EVs have fewer moving parts. This is where EVs really shine due to their simpler powertrains. On the left, we list common and often costly maintenance items for gas cars, like oil changes, spark plugs, and transmission service, along with their estimated annual costs. On the right, you'll see the much shorter list for EVs, primarily focusing on tire rotations and cabin air filters. Below that, we highlight all the traditional car maintenance that EVs simply don't need. The interactive nature of this section allows you to quickly grasp the significant annual savings on upkeep, which can add up to thousands over a decade. Total cost section, the complete picture. Now, let's bring it all together for the total cost of ownership. This section provides a comprehensive 10-year financial comparison, taking into account not just fuel and maintenance, but also purchase price, insurance, and registration fees. We've included a federal tax credit for EVs, which can significantly reduce the initial cost. You'll see a side-by-side breakdown of all these factors for both a gas vehicle and an electric vehicle. The winner banner at the bottom clearly displays the total savings over 10 years, reinforcing the long-term financial benefits of going electric. Incentives section. More ways to save. Finally, we can't talk about saving money without discussing incentives. Governments and utility companies actively encourage EV adoption. This section details various federal, state, and even local utility rebates that can significantly reduce the cost of buying an EV and installing a home charger. From federal tax credits up to $7,500 for new EVs to state-specific programs and even HOV lane access, these incentives make the switch even more attractive. We also touch upon other benefits like lower registration fees and free public charging. These incentives can collectively reduce your EV's effective price by over $10,000, making the decision to go electric even easier. Ready to take the next step for home EV charging? Our Book Your Installation section is where you can schedule a professional service. We outline what's included, professional installation, permit handling, and electrical panel upgrades if needed. We also offer a free consultation to assess your system and discuss your specific needs. Simply fill out the form with your details, and our team will contact you within 24 hours to arrange your consultation.